Hi everyone, Dr. David Sayah, plastic and reconstructive surgeon in Beverly Hills, talking about Breast Cancer Awareness Month and having discussed breast cancer prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. Now I would like to talk to you about breast cancer reconstruction. Breast cancer reconstruction has two general categories. One category is implant reconstruction, and the other category is autologous reconstruction, which means using your own tissues to reconstruct the breast. Breast implants are obviously very easy. We can do them at the same time as your breast cancer treatment, whether it be a lumpectomy or mastectomy, or in a delayed fashion. Sometimes if your breast surgeon is going to be removing a large segment of breast skin, there might not be enough skin to accommodate a breast implant, in which case we'll need to start with a tissue expander. The tissue expander is essentially a balloon that we inflate here in the office. Once the breast tissue expander has expanded your breast tissue to a degree larger than your planned breast size, then we can go in there and switch it to a breast implant, which can be saline or silicone. And in a delayed fashion, if you've already had a breast implant and things have gone wrong or the shape isn't perfect, you're welcome to come in and I can fine tune the shape or the mound of the breast and even reconstruct a nipple and areola for you, such that your breasts look as beautiful and normal to match your natural breast on the other side. In the category of autologous breast reconstruction or using your own tissue, autologous fat grafting, or taking fat away from areas that you may want to lose your fat and using that to reconstruct your breast almost like a 3D printer. This is really a fantastic option, which is growing in popularity. I literally take the fat out from unwanted areas, whether it's your thighs, your hips, your tummy, process the fat such that it's in very small droplets, and then inject it like a 3D printer, one droplet at a time, to reconstruct the breast. It's really cool and it works fantastically well. Another modality of autologous breast reconstruction or using your own tissue is taking tissue from a tummy. Imagine a tummy tuck where we take the skin out and throw it away or give it to pathology. In this case, I can actually take the skin on your tummy, move it up to your breast, and connect the artery to the artery and the vein to the vein under a microscope. And now you have your skin flap that has circulation and is able to refill your breast tissue. It's difficult to get it to look exactly like your old breast, so we have to kind of arrange the tissues and make them look nicer. Sometimes you have to have a lift on the other side to match your reconstructed breast, but this is also a fantastic option. Other areas where we can remove tissue and put it into your breast to reconstruct your breast are your thighs, your tush, or even the muscle on your back, your latissimus. Please come into the office so we can talk about each of these options. And now the most important thing is breast revision. As you may know, the breast reconstruction may require several stages. If you've had your breast reconstructed by another doctor and want it to be even more perfect, please come in. You have several options as to how to improve the shape of your breast and to make them more symmetric between your non-cancer breast. So again, please come on in. I'll be happy to perform your revision. And then our next topic should be insurance. Breast cancer surgery and reconstruction is actually a right. Congress passed a bill decades ago that mandated that all insurance companies pay for your breast cancer treatment and reconstruction. So please come in. We will happily pre-verify your insurance, and they should cover part or all of your expenses when it comes to making sure you have your perfect breasts. Thank you.